Hi everyone, open up your browser and search Revo Uninstaller. Click the first website revouninstaller.com. Hit the first link and here you can see downloads. Just click on it. Scroll down. Here you can see Revo Uninstaller free. Just click free download. The download is complete. Just click on it. Click run. Hit OK. Accept the agreement. Check this box. Hit next. Hit next. Hit next. Hit install. Uncheck this. Click finish. Okay. Now let's open Revo Uninstaller. Just click on it. Here goes Revo Uninstaller interface. We can uninstall any program completely using this software. Say for example, I want to uninstall Google Chrome. Just right click on it and here you can see uninstall. Just click on it, uncheck this, click continue, click OK, select moderate and click scan. Here you can see the registry file in our system. Click select all and now click delete. Click yes and click select all. Here you can see found leftover files and folders. We need to clean all of this to clear our C drive. Here you can see all are selected. Now click delete. Click yes. Click OK. Now Google Chrome is completely uninstalled from our system.